When you use ChatGPT, do you get any feedback about prompts? Prompts are very important for AI because that is the input that we give. So in my case, if you see, whenever I write a prompt in ChatGPT, I get a rating plus I get a feedback. For example, here LLM should be capital. I did a mistake of different, right? Then I came to know that okay, from Google, the one which is there, the name is LM, not LL. So then I asked a question, what is the difference between LM and ChatGPT? Now, if you see, the rating has improved. I have asked better question, and at the end it's even 9, right? Based on what I asked, right? So that has helped me because getting a feedback on what you are doing really helps you, and it is in a positive way. So in this video, we'll see that how you can get your prompts rated, plus you can tell something about yourself to ChatGPT so you can get customized answer. Plus I'll share many things that you can use it that can help you and save a lot of time for you. Let's begin. So if you're coming first time to my channel, do subscribe. Ujjal is a Polish word which means sharing. So I believe in sharing is caring. There are various playlists. You can go through that. And let me tell you how to do this magic. So what you have to do is, if you see on the right side, my name is coming and you have to click on this customize chat GPT. And here, if you want to tell your name, you can write, what do you do? So I'm a software tester. You can write like that or whatever profession you do, right? So if you see what I told chat GPT, that if it can rate my prompt and suggest me how I could have written a better prompt. So whatever you will write it here, it will go as an additional context, right? And the answers will come considering this. Plus you can add these things that it can be witty, right? Gen Z, traditional, whatever. Like if you are a poetic person, so whatever way you want, you can just add on and it will keep on adding all this stuff, right? Let me cancel it and show you back again that what it was with what I have set. So I have set it that it should be rate my prompt and I saved it. Next time when I ask stuff, it gives me this. So let me give you some other suggestions, right? Because you may not want to rate your prompt, right? Or if you want to set it for your parents or for somebody, this can help everybody. Let's say I'm working on Java, right? If you're working on a project, sometimes you only work in a particular language for many months, right? So these things you can specify. Like whenever I'm asking question about automation, let's say weights, then it automatically knows that you are asking about Playwright, not Selenium, or maybe a particular tool. Let's say you are using karate, then you can mention that in that box, I'm using karate, right? So it will consider that, and it will be intelligent enough, right? If you're asking about Red Fort, it will not consider karate in that, right? There will be no answer related to karate. So if I talk about language and track preferences, you can add these things. For example, if you are using ID always IntelliJ, right? Why? So then no need to mention this. It can save your time. For example, Linux, there are so many versions of Linux that comes. If you are using Ubuntu, you can mention, or if you are using, let's say, SUSE, right? Or there are Kali. There are so many versions of Linux that comes. So next comes response style. Some people prefer that the response should be in a bullet points, right? Some people wanted that it should be in a table. If it is comparison, if you are writing some, let's say, blog or article, you can say it should be professional, right? And based on your technical depth on a stuff, let's say you start learning blockchain, so you can say simple term first. Or if you don't want emoji, some people don't like it, some people like it, so you can give all those preferences so that you don't have to prompt again and again. It will understand that this is the style of this person that they want to understand step by step. Or if a person, also you can mention your experience. Let's say I have 14 years of experience in software and testing. So accordingly, it will consider and give you answer based on what prompt you have set over there. So moving next. So what is the formatting? Like, let's say you want analogies. Some people prefer real life examples. Some people want to relate it to the work that they particular do in a particular field. So all those things can be mentioned. Like just like I said, bullet points. Some people prefer numbering, right? Or maybe you want a table to come as an output. So all these things you can tell first. Example, I was comparing different Rupee cards. right? That's a credit card in India, right? So what I wanted is, at the end I had to tell to ChatGPT I want the comparison in table, right? If I can mention that over there in the ChatGPT customize window, then it will consider that, it will give me that, right? Also, I if you want some, you are looking for a software, generally we opt for free version, right? If you need a video editor, you will like to first explore the free versions. So these kind of priorities can also be set. Also, these are all examples, right? They are not that, oh, you have to use only this. You can decide as per you. Similarly, you can tell your experience and you can say that don't give me very basic explanation which I already know, right? Or based on my experience. So this is the one which I was using, where it is rating my prompt on 1 to 10 and it suggests me, right? Also, you can ask for a coding tip, for a testing tip, or something you are learning or trying to become good at, trying to learn various frameworks, right? Communication framework or various kinds of things, right? Wherever you think that you want to grow more, right? Maybe you want a tip about IntelliJ or Docker or Kubernetes, or maybe test design techniques, AI in testing, like whatever you write, it will add it as a context to your prompt and you get the response accordingly. Right. Also, like let's say you are working in a particular domain. Let's say you are working where a lot of stock market things are involved in your project, and you want to learn all those terms. Then you can say that prioritize example from these domains, right? Or if you want to learn a particular technology, if you are asking question about Git, you want to relate it, that how actually it is useful in my context, instead of just a command for how to check in or how to resolve merge conflict. So these are the various examples. You can think of more, because every context is different and you can find different as per your context. So simple trick is, come here, customize ChatGPT, enter here, and hope you like it, and you will definitely add something, add in the comment and help others that what you added, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.